got, who do we have? Lauren on deck here, ready to go? Got Lauren on deck. Josh, can you go one away? Josh, can you go one away? Awesome. Lauren on deck. Josh, one away. Is Katie preparing yet? Yes? No? No? Okay. Vic Russell, if you're in the area, if you could check in, please, Vic Russell. Lauren on deck. Josh is one away. Megan, how are you doing? You think you can make two? Awesome. Megan is two away. We'll put Luke back there in three.